Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Gambling Savant. Before I get started today, I want to make everybody aware of Poker Vlog number 9, which is coming out this week, in which we'll be hosting a Poker Winnings cash giveaway. So stay tuned for Poker Vlog number 9, and if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed to the channel in order to participate in the cash giveaway. So today we've got an interesting article from Investor Place. I'm going to read the article in full. It's a little bit lengthy, so bear with me. And at the conclusion of buzzing through this article, we'll talk a little bit about some key points and the current standing, in my opinion, of XRP. So the title reads, Ripple remains very risky, but it still has substantial runway. Is Ripple about to peak in price? Not so fast. Not even last month's flash crash could keep this crypto comeback kid down for long. Indeed, it continues to look like Ripple is going to come out on top with regards to the recent US SEC lawsuit against Ripple Labs. What's more, now there's talk of said developer going public once the litigation wraps up. All told, plenty remains in play to support a move higher for XRP. So does that mean you should dive in now, even as this crypto pick remains near its 52-week high? Yes, but don't go too crazy here. Ripple may have ample room to build onto its recent gains, but there are a few things you should look out for before buying. First, the risk of a sell-off, either due to it pulling back from being overheated or to an unexpected bad outcome from the court case. Of course, I'll make a point later as to why the chance of a sell the news pullback is slim. However, the risk of declines on a bad ruling remains high. Even so, don't take that to mean this is a crypto to steer clear of, with more pointing to a massive rip rather than a cratering. Ripple remains a high-risk but potentially high-return opportunity for seasoned investors. Ripple and its recent positive developments. April's flash crash may have resulted in some big-time volatility for XRP. Prices plunged from around $1.60 just before the incident to as low as $1 before cryptos overall began to recover. But it wasn't just renewed enthusiasm for this asset class that has sparked interest. Ripple's strong chances of beating the SEC lawsuit and the news of a possible Ripple Labs initial public offering have both been driving factors of its return towards $1.60. As such, more positive case updates as well as the continued investor pivot towards buying baskets of altcoins could help support prices topping $2. That being said, investors should exercise some caution here. True, many factors are working in Ripple's favor right now. However, some have recently made a case as to why, after an incredible run, a pullback in XRP is inevitable. While I believe we'll see a positive reaction on the heels of the lawsuit, I will concede that an unexpected outcome could mean huge declines in the price. Not out of the woods yet. It's no surprise that Ripple has recovered to the extent it has since March. Shortly after the initial SEC investigation news hit, investors began to avoid it like the plague. Even major exchanges like Coinbase decided to suspend its trading. With so many other altcoins offering similar opportunity with less baggage, the crypto community smartly wrote XRP off at the time. However, showing unexpected strength in court, the story quickly changed. But now that change in sentiment is at risk of being overdone. Investors have already largely factored in the upside from a potential victory in the courts. This could mean that Ripple is at risk of a correction, an outcome that Investor Place's Will Ashworth recently said is a strong possibility. But another possible outcome is that a buy the rumor, buy more on the news situation plays out. Even with a courtroom victory priced in, we could still see an outsized move higher if there's a positive ruling. That said, until we get the final ruling, Ripple is not out of the woods. An unexpected loss could deal a major blow against this crypto. In fact, we could see an even more dramatic drawdown than the one experienced last month. Here's the bottom line. Tread carefully, but it could still gain. All told, Ripple remains one of the riskier crypto plays out there, with a lot of anticipation hanging on the news. Plus, XRP has inherent volatility, while Bitcoin and Ethereum could experience big declines if the crypto market goes south. Cryptos like this one, the names with many fleas, stand to see even larger price declines. However, any good news here could produce yet another outsized rip too. Because of that, cautious crypto investors may still find Ripple to be a gamble worth taking. So I agree in large part with the way this article is written and the point that it's trying to get across. We are at a very critical stage, in my opinion, with XRP. Yes, that's very obvious considering we're in the midst of the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit. But even within the lawsuit, I think current day, it's a very critical situation. XRP has performed quite well in the last several weeks or months, breaking the $1 mark, pushing close to the $2 mark at one point. All of that in the midst of the SEC lawsuit, and a lot of that was due to the lawsuit, with positive news and developments that benefited Ripple. At the same time, we're playing with fire because one negative headliner related to the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit could very likely send XRP into a tailspin. We have yet to experience that. The initial filing of the SEC lawsuit was devastating. Professionals have calculated potentially tens of billions of dollars of damages related to the XRP class. And that number is subjective. It could be even larger at this point. So there's a lot of variables at play here. It's very subjective. It's very opinionated. We have investors in XRP or hodlers that have been holding on to XRP for many years. We have day traders, swing traders, and we also have individuals who have yet to put $1 into XRP. So I think XRP is exaggerated compared to other projects as far as the love-hate relationship. This lawsuit is critical that we have a favorable outcome, of course. I think the fact that we're all still holding shows the confidence that we hold as investors for the outcome. At the same time, we have to hold on very tight because it's going to be a wild ride. One negative headliner related to the case is going to be more powerful, in my opinion, than 10 positive headliners. That is, of course, unless we get news of settlement or a victorious ruling from the judge. So hang on to your hat, be prepared, and let's talk about it in the comments down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. So let's jump into the market cap here real quick. We'll refresh this and see where we stand. Market cap's quite strong at $2.24 trillion. The Bitcoin dominance is just 45.5%, very low, relatively speaking. While on the other hand, the Ethereum dominance is 17.5%, very strong. So, Bitcoin, currently with a $1+ trillion market cap, trading at $54,481. Number 2, Ethereum, cranking right along, up almost 30% on the 7-day, trading at just over $3,400, with an almost $400 billion market cap. It's astonishing. Very strong. Binance Coin in the 3 position. Dogecoin in the 4 spot has taken the 4 spot away from XRP with a $73.5 billion market cap, trading at 57.5 cents, up over 39% on the 24-hour. XRP hanging in there, down about 9% on the 24-hour, trading at $1.42. Cardano ADA in the 7 position, trading at $1.31. Polkadot in the 8 spot, up about 6% on the 7-day. Uniswap in the 9 position, up almost 9.5% on the 7-day, trading at $43.08. And Litecoin is very strong right now, trading at just under $310, up over 19% on the 7-day, with a $20.5 billion market cap. So if you like this content, please like, share, subscribe, comment down below. I would like to hear your thoughts on the current standing of XRP and the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit. Any insight, any perspective is always accepted. And I'm going to leave you with a quote from Henry Ford. He said, "Don't find fault, find a remedy." It's a very simple yet powerful statement or quote. Don't find fault, find a remedy. So that's something to juggle around. I hope you all have a great day, and I'll be in touch with you shortly.